A secured, prepaid, credit card guide. Chapter 1. Secured credit card guide. Secured credit card info. If you can't get a credit card through normal channels, you could get a Visa or MasterCard account in your own name through a secured account. Secured Visa and MasterCard bank cards are issued by savings and loan associations throughout the U.S. The lender will ask you to open a savings account. The funds placed into the savings account are frozen as long as there is an outstanding balance on the credit card. The savings account acts as security against non-payment of charges made against the credit card. In the event a cardholder doesn't pay, funds from the frozen account can be used to pay off the debt. This method completely reduces any risk to the lender. Requirements are often lowered by lending institutions that have this program, so if you can't obtain a card through your regular bank, chances are you will receive one through a secured credit card program without a credit check. Even people who have declared bankruptcy are granted secured cards. A secured card works this way: you pay a lump sum of cash up front either to your bank or the card company itself, which goes into a savings account that has a lien on it contingent upon your credit card balance, usually from $200 to $2,500. The card company will then grant your credit for up to 150% of the amount of your deposit. If you pony up $500, you will be granted a $750 credit line. If you put up $1,000, you will get $1,500 in credit, and so on. Your deposit money will earn 4 to 5% interest while it is held as collateral by your bank or the card company. The deposit money acts like a buffer for the lender. In the event you default on your card debt, the lender gets to keep your money. They may still incur a net loss, but the risk is far less. Additionally, the interest you gain on your deposit will offset the interest on your monthly balance if you have one. If you get a secured card with an 18% interest rate, you can feel good about the fact that your prepayment is earning 5%. Using a secured credit card can help repair your credit rating if you use it responsibly over a number of years. Even if you do not have bad credit, a secured credit card is recommended for anyone who wants the safety and convenience of a credit card. Secured cards are a safe, responsible way to control your spending, and you actually earn money, though interest, on your deposit while you enjoy the use of your card. Secured credit card scams. Get a secured credit card through a well-known bank or financial services company, because a lot of people advertising secured credit card offers are scammers who take your upfront fee then split and you don't get a card. Another scam is simply very high fees. consumerlawpage.com/brochure/80.shtml newstepsolutions.com/secured-cards-scams.htm ftc.gov/bcp/conlani/pub/credit/secured.htm, secured credit card marketing scams. lectlaw.com/files/cos47.htm, be wary of credit cards offered by credit repair companies or credit clinics. Secured credit card companies. The following card companies offer secured credit card plans. Virtually all have an annual fee. Some are not available in certain states. After bankruptcy.com/bankruptcy_credit_cards.htm BAD-CREDIT-CREDIT-CERDIT-FORDASH-PEOPLE-WITH-BAD-CREDIT-CREDIT-CERDIT-FODASH bcredit.com bcsalliance.com/creditcardsd.html bestcreditcards.com cardoffers.com choicepersonalloans.com/gettingcredit.htm creditcardguide.org/credit-cards/secured-credit-card.htm creditcards.com/chase-secured-credit-card.html creditcardsusa.net creditcardexpo.net/card92.html creditfast.com credithometrustsecurevisa.com credit-land.com creditoption.com/creditcards/secured.htm secured.creditcard321.com, securedcardcenter.com, secured-credit-card.web-credit-card.ws, securedcreditcards.ws, the-secured-credit-cards.com, theyoungamericans.org, secured credit card for young people. Secured/prepaid credit card websites. If you want to rebuild your credit report, make sure the company you're getting the secured credit card from reports to a credit reporting agency. creditcardresource.net/features/prepaid-credit-cards.aspx. getdebit.com/prepaid-debit-cards. secured.creditcard321.com. personalfinancecenter.com. badcreditoffers.com. creditcards.com. bankrate.com. cardwatch.com. cardweb.com, 800-344-7714. consumeraction.org. Card Track of America. POB 1700. Frederick, Maryland 21702. 301-695-4660. 800-344-7714. cardtrack.com. securedcard.com. Ask for their list of secured credit cards. Consumer Action. 717 Market St. Number 310. SF California 94103. consumer-action.org. List of secured credit cards.